Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Snapchat multi-snap option not showing. So the first solution here that we can do is first check your internet connection. So sometimes that is the reason why you're having some issues on Snapchat. So you can just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on data connection and see if it will improve your internet connection. Next, we're going to the general option. So scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down a bit and then tap on the iPhone storage. And then from here, we're going to select Snapchat app. Now what you're going to do here is just tap on the offload app button right from here. Then as you can see, offloading Snapchat will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So just tap on offload app. And then once done, you can now reinstall the application, or you can go to your app store right from here and search for the Snapchat. And then here, you just need to tap on the get icon right from here or install icon, and just have to wait until it finish installing this app again on your device. So once done installing your Snapchat, you just have to tap on the open and then open your Snapchat and see if it fixed the issue. Now, if the problem persists, go to the second solution. Here on the Snapchat app, go to the profile at the top left-hand corner, select settings at the top right, and then here on the settings, scroll down, and then under the feedback, so right from here, select this I spotted a bug. So tap on this one, and then here just select the camera, and then you just have to write down here the issue. For example, multi-snap option not available. Okay, and then I'm going to add help me please. So I'm going to type help me please. So once done here, so I'm going to scroll down and find the option, okay, which is choose topic, and I'm going to choose camera features. So once you tap on camera features, you just need to tap on the submit button, and once your request is submitted, you just have to wait for a few hours or a few days, then Snapchat support will solve your issue. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.